how are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Virda Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education, and today in this session we are going to learn a new grammar topic, that is possessive adjective. So before starting with possessive adjective, first of all let us recall that what do you mean by adjectives. Adjectives means describing words. Adjectives are also known as describing words because they add something to the meaning of noun, because they describe the noun. वो noun जो है उसे describe करता है कि how the girl, right? Girl is there. Now how does the girl looks? तो वो girl को कैसे define करते हैं? The girl looks beautiful. So beautiful. The girl looks beautiful. So here beautiful describes the girl. वो beautiful जो है वो girl को describe करता है. That means we have added something to the meaning of a noun, right? That is known as adjective because here it describes the girl. Now if I say I like coffee, okay? I like coffee. But now if I add something more to this coffee is a noun. Now coffee के बारे में अब और मैं describe करती हूँ. I am describing something more to the coffee. Okay, वो तो पता चल गया कि मुझे coffee पसंद है. अब what kind of a coffee should I like? मुझे किस तरह की coffee पसंद है? So I am going to add something over here. I like hot coffee, or else cold coffee. So hot or cold becomes our describing word because they have described the coffee. Word coffee उसने noun को define किया, describe किया. So such kind of a words which describes the noun, right? Such kind of a words are known as adjectives. Now we are going to study over here possessive adjective. So I know that you will get confused between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. So you will say what is possessive? Again, possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. So possessive adjective is really very easy. Possessive adjectives are used possessive adjectives are used before nouns to show possession or ownership. Now you all know that what do you mean by possession? Possession means अधिकार जताना, right? You all know that. What do you mean by possession? Possession यानी कि अधिकार जताना. Now possessive pronoun we are using to show that thing belongs to you. उस पर किसी का अधिकार है, वो चीज पर किसी का अधिकार है. Possessive pronoun we are using for that. यानी कि वो noun जो noun की जगह पर हम जो word use करते हैं, that is a pronoun, right? So possessive pronoun is used for that purpose. Now to make it clear, let me give you some of the example. First of all, so I am writing a sentence over here. The pen is Anisha's. Right? And now again I am writing the pen. This pen is Anisha's. and this is Anisha's pen. So now possessive pronouns means what? That possessive pronoun is a pronoun that can replace a possessive noun. वो एक possessive noun को replace करता है. Possessive pronoun किसे replace करता है? Pronoun is replacing the noun. So जो possessive noun है उसे possessive pronoun replace करता है, right? So and to show some kind of ownership or possession. Now this pen is Anisha's. Here Anisha's in both the sentence. यहाँ पे दोनों sentence में जो Anisha है वो क्या है? That is a possessive noun over here. In both this sentence, it is a possessive noun. Right? Now, this pen is Anisha's. ये जो पेन है वो अनीशा की है. Okay? Now, अब अनीशा is a girl और अनीशा को अपने बारे में खुद को बोल रही है कि this pen is Anisha's, right? So what else we can use? This pen is mine. This pen is mine. Here mine is used because we have replaced this word with mine. यानी कि possessive pronoun. Mine is a possessive pronoun. Now this is Anisha's pen. Pen is a noun over here. ये pen जो है वो noun है, right? So noun के पहले यहाँ पे possessive adjective की definition क्या है? Possessive adjectives are used before nouns. वो noun के पहले use होते हैं possessive adjective, okay? To show possession or ownership दिखाने के लिए. So pen is a noun over here. तो उसके पहले what we will use? हम mine use नहीं करेंगे, but this is my pen. This is my pen. So this sentence become possessive adjective and this sentence become possessive pronoun. Now wait. If I'll give you the list of possessive pronoun and possessive adjective so that you will be clear that what will come under possessive adjective and which words will come under possessive pronoun. So first let's look at that table and then we will move with further examples, okay? So but before that, again I am repeating that possessive adjectives are used before nouns. Possessive adjectives जो है वो noun के पहले यूज होते हैं. नाउन से पहले यानी कि जो हमारा नाउन है उसके पहले यूज होते हैं possessive adjective, ओके? और जो possessive pronoun है हम possessive pronoun में हम noun को ही replace कर देते हैं. We are replacing the noun only, okay? So you need to keep this thing in your mind. Now let us look at the table over here, which is I'm going to explain you. Possessive pronoun possessive adjective, right? Possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. So now in possessive pronoun the words which will come, that is mine, for you are indicating for yourself, first person singular, for mine, yours, his, hers and its. Then afterwards ours and theirs. Now possessive adjective, mine, your, his, her and its, our and theirs. Then, so अब यहाँ पे एक चीज आपने नोटिस की हो तो let me tell you that here we have used s, 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 s. But in possessive adjective we have removed that s. We are not using any kind of s, right? And when you are writing this its, जब आप its लिखते हो तो its दो तरह से लिखे जाते हैं, one apostrophe s and एक ऐसे लिखा जाता है. So these its means it depends upon the sentence whether it is possessive pronoun or adjective. And ये apostrophe s वाला जो its है, what does it show? It show that it is a contraction. So उसका ये full form क्या हो जाएगा? It is. The same applies over here, theirs. अगर apostrophe s है theirs में तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? There is. Okay? So whenever you are writing possessive pronoun, don't make apostrophe s. Write it directly. Okay? If you will write apostrophe s, then it will be converted into contractions. So you need to be cleared with this thing. Okay? So this is the table of possessive pronoun में कौन-कौन से आएंगे and possessive adjective में कौन-कौन से आएंगे. Mine, mine. Yours, your. His, her. Its, his, her. Its. Ours, our. Theirs, their. Now, let us write some of the sentence so that my car. The car is mine. The car is mine. जो कार है वो मेरी है. And my car is red. My car is red. Here, car is a noun and we have used possessive adjective before noun. Now another sentence, the apple is yours. The apple is yours. Right? Then after, your shoes are blue. Your shoes are blue. Shoes is a noun we have used before that possessive adjective. Right? Then afterwards, the pen is hers. Now, his hair is grey. His hair is grey. The house is ours. Our jobs. This is our house. Now, the last one. The books are theirs. The books are theirs. This is their book. Or you can say, right, their house is big. So whenever you are writing possessive adjective, you are not supposed to add s to show that possession. But in possessive pronoun, you are supposed to write s to show possession in possessive pronoun only. Okay, and possessive adjective, it also describes whenever whose, if I say whose car is red, so it answer to the question, ये whose का जो हमने question पूछा ये उसका आंसर देगा, my car is red, right? So it also answer to whom and to what. The possessive adjective whose, as I said, whose car is red, whose shoes are blue, whose hair is grey, whose house is this, whose house is big. So possessive adjective जो है वो whose का आंसर देते हैं. which word? It answer to whose. Whether it is first person, second person or third person, singular or plural. कोई भी हो, first, second, third, singular, plural, कोई भी हो, it answer to the question whose. As I explained you over here, in the same way it answers to the any of the questions. So if you want to note this down, you can note this down in your book as a part of, you can see as a part of a table and as a part of a remembrance. You can note down this table in your book so that for further you can revise it out. Okay, so I hope that you have written this in your book. Now, let us solve some of the example to make it more clear about the concept of possessive adjective. Now, if I am writing this is their house, this is their house. This house is theirs. Now can you identify that which is possessive pronoun and which is possessive adjective? Yes, you can identify because here house is a noun and we have used the possessive adjective just before the noun there. And one more thing, that in possessive adjective we are not using s. So in possessive pronoun s will come. So yes, we can easily identify this. This sentence is possessive adjective and this sentence is possessive pronoun. So this is their house is possessive adjective because it shows the possession that ये उसका घर है and जो their है वो ये house को describe भी करता है. It also describes the house, that whose house is this? This is their house. ये उसका घर है, right? Now this is our kitchen. This is our kitchen. This kitchen is ours. Ours. This kitchen is ours and this is our kitchen. ये जो kitchen है वो किसका है? This kitchen, this is our kitchen. See, kitchen is used just before the kitchen, and it also describes that whose kitchen is this, right? So the sentence, and yes, one more thing that here s has also not been used. So yes, this sentence is a possessive adjective, and here this kitchen is ours. ये जो kitchen है वो हमारा है. It is showing a possession. जो kitchen है वो हमारा है. So here ours. It is showing a possessive pronoun. ये जो pronoun को possess करे. So here this sentence is possessive pronoun because it is showing a possession towards some noun. That's it. So I hope that you are getting it clear about this thing. Now, if I say, so you will use for yourself, right? Then afterward your, अब दूसरों के लिए your use करोगे. उसके बाद his, her और its है. His we are using for boy, her we are using for girl and it जो है वो हम किसी thing के लिए use करते. Our we are using for हम सब के लिए and there we are using for उसके लिए. ये जो उसका है there उसका. Okay, now let me give you a sentence. Rajiv is looking dash new pen. Now, Rajiv is a boy, right? So, new pen is a noun. So, we have to use just before that. So, we are going to use possessive adjective. As it is the topic of possessive adjective, we are going to use, but to make it clear the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun, I have explained you everything. Now, Rajiv is a boy. So, we are going to use his. Rajiv is looking for his new pen. Then afterward, she has lost dash keys. She has lost dash keys. So she is a girl. So she has lost her keys. Okay? In this way, you are supposed to solve the blanks if it is given, and you can make it out a sentence, and if it is said to identify that whether that sentence is possessive adjective or not, that also you can identify now, right? Now, the next question which we have is, now what else can we do in this? So here, if I say, why are you going for the holidays? I have written the sentence. Why are you going for the holidays? I have asked the question. And as a part of a hint, what you are supposed to write, we going to visit grandparents. So, what you have to, now you are supposed to use a possessive adjective also, and you have to use that words. So, what you will write, we are going to visit किसके grandparents? हमारे, right? So, we are going to visit our grandparents in Delhi for the holidays. कहाँ पे आप दिल्ली कोई भी सिटी का नेम लिख सकते हो. Then after, why is Abhishek excited? Why is Abhishek excited? Now, as a part of hint, it is given as holidays are starting tomorrow. उसकी जो छुट्टियां हैं वो कल से शुरू हो रही है. So we can write Abhishek is excited because his holidays are starting tomorrow. Isn't it easy? आपको सिर्फ आंसर ही देना है और उसमें आपको possessive adjective का यूज करना है, और आंसर में भी आपको क्या लिखना है उसकी भी हिंट आपको दी गई है. Then afterwards, where is Divya? Where is Divya? And as a hint, it is said that gone to the park with friends. वो पार्क में अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ गई है. So आप क्या लिखोगे? Divya has gone out. Divya is a single, so Divya has gone out with her. Divya has gone in the park with her friends. Her. Divya is a girl, so we've used her. Divya has gone in the park with her friends. Right? So in this way you are supposed to solve the questions. I hope that you have understood the concept of possessive adjective very well. So this was all about possessive adjective. That possessive adjectives are used just before the noun to show the possession and to describe that thing and to show that ownership. Okay? So this was all about possessive adjective. I hope that you have understood it. And as a part of revision, I am going to give some of the questions in the description section. Description section में आपको कुछ questions दूंगी which you are supposed to solve it in your book, or after solving out you can give your answers in the comment section. After solving that question you can answer me in the comment section. आप मुझे comment section में भी उस question के description section के answer मुझे comment section में भी दे सकते हो. ठीक है? If you know the answer, then just give your answer in the comment section and I will say. And still, if you have any kind of doubt regarding the topic, then रीवॉच द वीडियो, आप इस वीडियो को फिर से देख सकते हो, और एल्स यू कैन आस्क मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में भी पूछ सकते हो इफ़ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ डाउट्स. ओके, सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट टुडे. Thank you. Bye bye. Take good care of yourself, everyone.